Hi, welcome to the channel again. Today, I will be showing something very interesting to you guys. But first, join my Discord channel. The links will be at the description. From the topic details, it must be clear that I am here to provide inside details on the AI platform called Lovable that builds applications in a whim. I have built a clone of it, but not to generate agentic application, but to find the actual implementation of the Lovable app itself. I have already created a local AI application that builds prototypes and MVP of application, all running locally. Using the implementation, I plan to enhance that application a bit. Currently, I cannot deploy it in cloud due to resource constraints. However, I will be creating a video demonstration of the application and a guide so that anyone can create their own agentic framework to run completely on local machine. For now, let's concentrate on the current topic. Here is the interface, which is a replica. The application built on Lovable provides the AI prompt feature to query to Lovable agent itself. I missed recording the initial steps, however, I will provide the complete code base on my GitHub repository. You can find all the details there. As you can see, I am prompting Lovable agent itself for the architecture design and implementation details of Lovable application itself. In my actual implementation, I am using Claude SDK to act behind the interface. This allows me to replicate the Lovable experience while still having full control over the backend logic. The front end remains identical to the Lovable UI, but behind the scenes, the requests are routed to my own AI agent powered by the Claude SDK. Once the architecture was confirmed by the Lovable prompt interface, I began implementing the core components such as the chat interface, agent routing logic, context handling, and memory management. I made sure each step mirrored the Lovable workflow so that the user experience stayed the same, but the execution was powered by my local framework. The most interesting part is that Lovable itself helped me outline how Lovable works. I used its own AI prompt interface to extract the design decisions, component responsibilities, and feature breakdown. Then I simply followed those instructions while integrating my own enhancements like multi-agent switching, task automation, and backend orchestration. Eventually, my goal is to turn this into a fully modular agentic platform where you can plug in any LLM provider like Claude, GPT, local models, or even custom fine-tuned agents without changing the interface. In the next part of the demo, I'll walk through how the prompt flows through the interface, how the Claude SDK handles the request, and how the response is processed and rendered, just like in Lovable. I'll also show you where you can customize the logic, add tools or actions, and extend the agent's capabilities further. Once the repository is live, you'll be able to explore the full architecture, source code, and configuration templates in a structured markdown format. I've broken everything down into clear sections like prd.md, architecture.md, agents.md, tasklist.md so you can easily follow along or even replicate the setup for your own projects. Once the repository is live, you'll be able to explore the full architecture, source code, and configuration templates in a structured markdown format. I've broken everything down into clear sections like prd.md, architecture.md, agents.md, tasklist.md so you can easily follow along or even replicate the setup for your own projects. In the video description, I'll include direct links to each major file so you can jump exactly where you need, whether that's the UI, the Claude SDK integration, or the backend routing logic. So now let's just look into how these markdown files are generated. Enjoy the music and watch. Here is the Claude SDK guidance and the details as a brief preview, just to set the stage before we go deeper. The reason I'm highlighting this is because the Claude SDK plays a major role behind the scenes of my implementation. Even though the user sees a Lovable style interface, the actual intelligence and orchestration are powered by my own backend using Claude SDK. This gives me flexibility, control, and the ability to extend the system far beyond what's possible in the default Lovable environment. In this section of the demo, I want to go deeper into how everything actually works behind the interface, specifically how I use the Claude SDK to power the entire agent experience while keeping the UI identical to Lovable. So that's just a glimpse of how I'm using the Lovable interface as the blueprint and the Claude SDK as the engine behind my custom agentic framework. The goal isn't just to copy, it's to understand the architecture deeply, rebuild it with flexibility, and then take it even further. Stay tuned for the next episode. If you're excited about building agentic apps or want to see the full implementation, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow the series because the best parts are coming next.